Welcome back. In gene therapy of adenosine deaminase deficiency, the patient requires periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes because retroviral vector is introduced into these lymphocytes. Yes, it is introduced, but this is not the reason. Gene isolated from marrow cells producing ADA is introduced into cells at embryonic stages. This is our dream. This is not yet achieved. So lymphocytes are cloned with the cDNA for ADA using retroviral. So little bit of information is correct in all the statements, but the real reason for why we need periodic infusion is because the lymphocytes are not immortal. So they die out after some time. So option 4 is the answer. Next one, select the incorrect statement with respect to acquired immunity. Primary response is produced when our body encounters a pathogen for the first time. Yes, this is the reason it is called primary. This is correct. Anamnestic response is elicited on subsequent encounters with the same pathogen. See, amnesia means loss of memory. So opposite of amnesia will be memory. Anamnesia, anamnestic response. So that means in a simple way you can read it as memory response is elicited on subsequent encounters with the same pathogen. Yes, this is correct. Anamnestic response is due to memory of the first encounter. Correct. Acquired immunity is non-specific type of defense present at the time of birth. This is innate immunity. So this statement is wrong. Acquired is specific and it is not present at the time of birth. So this is the only statement which is incorrect. Statement related to human insulin are given below. Which statement are correct about genetically engineered insulin? Prohormone insulin contains extra stretch of C-peptide. Prohormone is not genetically engineered, it is a natural insulin. So wherever you see A, strike it out. A is in option 1 only. Next one, A peptide and B peptide chains of insulin were produced separately in E. coli. Correct. Extracted and combined by creating disulfide bond between them. Yes, this is correct, and this is regarding genetically engineered insulin. So B is correct. B is only in option number 2. So we have the answer. This is the answer.